So I want to show y'all a really cool tool in Claude. So as you can see, I have the professional plan, but you don't necessarily need that to be able to do the concept maps. So this is a really great tool if you're doing some difficult concepts and want a broad overview. So let's say I'm studying biology, right? And I always pick biology because it's a pretty tough subject. All right, so let's pretend that I am a college student. So I'm in a Bio 101 class and am trying to learn the cell. I don't know. I didn't take bio in college, so I don't really know if this is a thing. This is more of like a 10th grade thing. Anyways, could you create a concept map that helps me get all the essential info? And what it does is it creates these concept maps, and it's pretty incredible how it does it. All right, so it codes it first. This is what's called Claude artifacts. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to try to make it a little bit bigger. Let's see. What I'll probably have to do is publish it. So I can publish it here, publish and copy a link. Let's see. Go here, show content, and then we can zoom in on it. Okay, so it's got the cell. All right, so what it basically does is it outlines it by cell functions, major structures, and the organelles. Those are the three main things. This one, I mean, it could be helpful, honestly, but I'm wondering if it's a little bit too cluttered. But see, just like that first use case is pretty incredible that it does that. And obviously you can make it more what you need, especially depending on any of your specific requirements for that class. So it's a little visually cluttered. Could you make it a little less so without taking away the complexity or oversimplifying? Obviously the prompt could be a little bit shorter, but whatever. All right, let's see what it does. Okay, here it goes, coding again. Okay, so it's a little bit better. All right, let's download that so we can make it a little bit bigger to see, or publish it. Okay. All right, let's see what it does. See if it's actually worth anything. Okay, so organelles again, key functions, classification, and structure. Nice. So obviously if you're taking biology, these terms are going to be pretty familiar to you. The thing is, from this, what I would do in terms of studying it, I would find any weak areas that you're a little bit weak on, and then build out your schema from there. And basically what a schema is, it's like an overview. It's like giving yourself a foundation, and then you go into very specific things, rather than just starting with the specific information. You start out broad, you pan out, and then you pan in as needed. And that helps basically create an overview and a structure in your head. Instead of just trying to like go deep on a bunch of different areas without having the overall structure in place. That's super, super critical. So you can kind of see here that there are a lot of different aspects. So obviously your schema, your knowledge of each individual aspect is going to be different. So you could find whatever specific area and then could do a deep dive in that. But with this map, you have a network, a big picture to be able to go off of. So that's really important to be able to create that schema first, and then narrow into individual areas. But yeah, so that's it for now. Claude Artifacts, really great tool, and I highly recommend it.